Good morning, everybody. It's Stacey Hawkins from StaceyHawkins.com. Welcome to today's Tuesday tip, and we are back in the kitchen today talking about Thanksgiving. Now, one of the things that I always stress about, in addition to being prepared, which we talked about yesterday, is timing on things. And even though this is my test kitchen in our live kitchen, I only have one oven. So what do you do when you have all these dishes you have to get out? You want to get them out hot, and you've only got one cooking surface to work on. Well, I want to share with you today my top ideas for making that happen so it can make it easy for you and stress a little less. All right, first of all, rule number one is go ahead and make things ahead of time. Almost all of your dishes, other than the turkey, of course, can be made ahead of time so that all you really need to do is heat them up. In fact, a lot of those dishes are even better the next day. So any of your casseroles, your stuffing, you can even make ahead of time. Of course, all of your baking you want to get done ahead of time, like your pies or whatever else that you may be making. And then you can heat everything back up all at once. And don't worry if one thing says reheat at 400 degrees and the other thing says reheat at 300 degrees, or you have to bake your rolls at one temperature and do something else at a different temperature. Shoot for the middle in your oven. 350 tends to be a really good temperature for going ahead and reheating things. And it doesn't usually take very long. You can take your turkey out, and while it's resting, which it should do for a while anyway, then you can throw everything else back in the oven and heat it up. So rule number one, as I said, as you can, go ahead and make things ahead of time. Now, if you can't make them ahead of time and you do need to keep them warm, think about other alternative resources that you may have that you may not even think about. What do I mean? Well, keeping things warm can be easy in a crock pot if it's got a warm setting. You can go ahead and even use your barbecue grill, or maybe you've got a burner on your barbecue grill. In a lot of cases, you can turn on just one burner way off to the side and then put a cookie sheet in and keep it at 200 degrees, 250 degrees, so that it's not continuing to cook, but it's staying warm for you. Just don't forget that the stuff is out there. I've done that before. Open up the grill and it's like, woohoo, here's the Brussels sprouts from 3 days ago. So again, use alternative methods. One other thing that I want to mention that you can do for sure is if you've got a sous vide, you can use that as well. You can make your gravy, you can make your potatoes, any of the soft stuff. I do this a lot with turnips. Throw them in a big zipper bag and then put everything in the sous vide and keep the sous vide at that temperature, and everything will stay nice and warm for you. Just using my notes here because there's so many things to share. Another great thing that you can use too is your Instapot. So if you are making potatoes or something and want to cook them fast, use your Instapot to help you with that. Or in a lot of cases, the Instapot will have a keep warm feature on it as well. So you don't have to be restricted to just your oven. Now, of course, my favorite way to make sure that everything gets done is ask for help. Have somebody bring something, and other than a bottle of wine or some salad, and I want to come back to that in a second, but have people help you by bringing things. Don't think you have to take it on all at once. Last but not least is think of things that you don't have to cook. Speaking of green salad, there are a lot of wonderful salads that you can have, and things that don't necessarily need cooking, or that you can make ahead of time and serve chilled so that you don't even need to be able to reheat. Things like your quinoa salad or a kale salad. I know they're not necessarily traditional Thanksgiving green bean casserole, but again, it's just another alternative. All right, that's today's Tuesday tip. One oven, don't worry, you got this, you can get it done. And if you need some great recipes or resources or other things to be able to help you, make sure you check out the website at StaceyHawkins.com. Have a great day and let the countdown to Thanksgiving begin. See you tomorrow. Bye.